Hi, in this video we are going to demonstrate our Alexa skill and explain how it works behind the scenes. We have built a blind spot safety assistance Alexa skill which detects real-time vehicular movements and assists the driver in making informed decisions, enabling them to take safe turns. Let me show you how this works. You are currently looking at the voice flow Alexa simulator where I will be showing how our skill works.
Hi, welcome to our Honda Alexa skill. Which direction are you going to take next?
Okay, so consider that I am the driver and I am intending to take a left turn. Left.
So left it is. Predicting safety. You can safely take a left turn now.
So as you could see, upon being asked which direction you intend to go in, the driver can reply which turn he or she is going to take next. This command reaches the microcontroller attached to the car, which uses machine learning to detect surrounding vehicles and predict whether it is safe or not to take that turn. The final response is returned back to the driver by Alexa. Let us now take a look at how we build this. We used VoiceFlow, a low-code Alexa skill building tool, and used standard natural language understanding or NLU techniques to view our conversations with the driver. You can see the various interaction paths here. Apart from this, we used Python on the backend to detect vehicular movements through the camera attached to the microcontroller. Now my friend Srikar will explain about the working of the vehicle detection module.
Thank you, Sharon. Now let us look at the Python demo code which we are using in this scenario. Here we have written a Python demo code in order to understand, train, and check whether this code is actually working in real life objects or not. Now for this, what we have done is we have used object detection system for OpenCV module and some Cascades files to train and understand whether the given object is a vehicle or not. Now in the following code, we'll check whether the demo video consists different types of vehicles or not. Let me just run this module. Now, as you can see, while running this module, it detects heavy vehicles such as buses and normal to four-wheelers such as cars, and even you can observe that even two-wheelers such as bikes and cycles are being detected here. We have done this with the help of all the Cascade files which were provided by the internet. Now, what this module does is it creates an API version of this and it sends a message to the Alexa system, voice flow, in such a way that if a vehicle is detected, it will speak out as no, you cannot take left since there is a vehicle present. If there is no such vehicle of any type, it says out that yes, you may take a left turn. Thank you. Now back to Sharon.
Hi, I'm here to explain the hardware implementation for our project. As the main purpose of a project is to detect the lane departure to avoid road accidents, we have analyzed the two sensors' abilities such as camera module and a LiDAR sensor to detect lane markings in varying weather scenarios. First, we have analyzed camera-based lane detection. The camera-based lane method for this project was built in-house and uses line extraction technique from the image to detect lane markings and calculate the distance. In order to detect and track the road boundaries, image processing is implemented using OpenCV library function on Raspberry Pi hardware. A threshold is chosen from the histogram of the image to compensate for differences in lighting, weather, or other non-ideal scenarios for extracting the lane markings. Then we have analyzed the LiDAR-based lane detection. Since LiDAR units are active sensors, they produce their own light. So, low light conditions have no effect on this kind of sensor. It provides a 360-degree field of view around the vehicle. The result is highly accurate representation of almost the entire scene surrounding the vehicle. So, based on testing, we found that camera provided slightly more accurate measurements than the LiDAR while having a decrease in detection rate. Additionally, the camera performed well in the rain where the LiDAR experienced decreased detection rates. So, here comes the role of MQTT, Message Queuing Telemetry Transport. MQTT is a protocol communication used in our project to transmit data using internet. This protocol usually used in embedded system because it can make the sensors communicate with the backend system. MQTT protocol works by sending and receiving data using publish and subscribe mechanism. The publish mechanism usually used to send the data to the broker, and the subscribe mechanism used to get the data from the broker. So, the HMI approach in our project makes the application smarter and providing ease of operation. USB webcam design unit for voice processing in this model, interacting with the Alexa API, provides accurate voice interface processing unit to the Raspberry Pi IoT infrastructure.
So those were the technical details of our project. The future plans for our project include making the API connection between the Alexa skill and microcontroller unit more robust and adding anomalous situation detection capabilities. Thank you.